beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I really miss you all, guys. I missed you too much. I miss you guys. So sorry, I know it has been long. I upload. Even some of my friends, my fans have been asking me why I have not been uploading, and some also know that I have no time for myself now. So it has been difficult to be doing video because I work, and it's very difficult for me to be a mother and be working at the same time. The time of my work is really stressful. So guys, today I have free time to make this video, and also I will be trying to create chance to be making this video because I know my fans need me, my subscribers need me. So guys, I'm really sorry for the delay. I know you guys have been expecting new videos. Normally I upload every Sunday, but today since then I've been really tired, but now I'm back. Okay, I'm back and I'm back like I've never left. Okay guys, so today's topic is it good to give your partner documents? Someone actually give me this message to talk about. So my own opinion, I will say it, and I want you guys also to leave a comment below so that we'll try to talk to this our sister. She asked me the question, so I said okay, I will say it in my YouTube channel, and let's see what people will comment in the comment section. So today, guys, the question is it good to give your partner a document, either man or woman? For me, I think there's nothing wrong with that. You understand me? So I don't know about you guys, and everybody have their own opinion. So I know some people are afraid of giving their partner documents based on what they are doing. I understand, but let's look in the other side. Let's look at the brighter side. You understand? So for me, for my own opinion, I think it doesn't matter. I know some men are really annoying. Some men are really annoying. To give them documents is you won't even want to give the person document, give the man document. You understand me? The things they do. But let's look at the brighter side. If you know you have keys for this man already, and you are the one that have documents, and this man doesn't have, let's forget about what he's doing. Let's think of the keys. Let's think of the children. Okay? So for me, I think it's good to give your partner document. I didn't say your boyfriend though. No. If you know you don't have anything affair with this man, you people are just in relationship, you have not do anything marriage from in Africa, in Europe. So I don't think it's for me. I cannot do that. I cannot say yes to that. So if you know you have keys for this man, if you know you have keys and you are the one that have the documents, why not? Why punishing the men? At least if you give the man started working, it will favor the children too. I know some men are really are not okay in their hostel. You understand me? Some men will still have the documents and still not work and still hold remote in the parlor watching film. They will have the document. The document will be inside their bag. It's only when they want to travel they know that the document exists. You understand? So for me, I think it doesn't matter. You can give the man document, and first let's even talk. The document we carry more for us. No, you see the talk. Let me forget English. We carry more for us. We not carry document come for us. Some people are very staging with their documents. I won't lie. Some people are very staging. Some will have 3 children, 4 children. They will have documents. They won't give to their wife or their husband. It's not good. Let's be sincere. It's not good. I'm not supporting anybody. It's not good. If you know you have opportunity of giving anybody document, any man, any man, your wife, your husband, you have opportunity, give his document. Is just paper. There's nothing in it. It's not money. You're not giving somebody money. It's paper. just print it. If you went to the Prophet 2, I don't know what people call them in your country. Mine is Prophet 2. When you went to Prophet 2 will just, even the way they print it, you will see that this thing had stress me. This motto they open for machine like this, they open and just correct more for them. So for me, I think document na nothing to anybody, na nothing. I mean, I don't see anything in it. No, why not give your partner document? If the man is misbehaving, no problem. If it is misbehaving, give that man document. Let him misbehave. Wait for him or the day of his renew. You think Prophet 2 or Komu, they are crazy? They are not crazy. That is why whenever they are giving any man the first document, they give that man 1 year. 1 year. Then they will give the man, well, they will be giving that man 1 year in case they will look at you people's situation for, I think, 3 years, so that they will know if people will have any stress. They don't just give man 10 years like that. No, they are not crazy. They understand. They know the system. They know the system already. You understand? So if any man is misbehaving, telling you that, hey, I don't get the documents, there's nothing you cannot do. You can do anything. You can do something, my sister. Wait, just wait. Pause. Pause for that day when you want to renew. Pause. I know some men, they never get document, or go carry you like egg. They go begin do you like, say, you be the God. But when they don't get document, they can't change. You know you stress yourself. Wait, my sister. Wait for that day when you go renew. Now if you want renew, now you come hold on. You come tell am say, guy, now hear me for all you. So if you want to give him document, give him, let him take. If it change, it's for yours. If it's for your own good. If it change, it's for his own good also. Not your problem, my sister. You understand me? So my sister that I asked this question, me, I've answered your question. So guys, please, she really needs your opinion. She need your opinion in this matter. If it is really good for her to give her husband documents, I want you to please to leave your comments below the comment section, please. For me, I've answered my question. My own question is yes. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. As far as you have children for the man already, it doesn't matter. You can give the man or the woman document. Document is nothing now. No, nothing. It doesn't remove anything from your document. It doesn't distort your age, the age in your document. The number they write, if you have 10 years, because you give your partner 1 year, they will remove 1 year. That will remain 1 year and 9 years. No, it still remain the same. So let us not be stingy. I know some people are really stingy. Some people are really stingy with documents. Make sure you do anything to make he or she have the document. It will benefit you also. If the man is someone that is grateful, he will know what you did for him. Okay, my sister, please just give him the document. So guys, please leave your comment section also. Let her know what is your own opinion. So this is my own opinion. I know everybody don't have the same opinion. So in your own opinion, please leave a comment. Please, I beg you, leave a comment. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for always staying tuned. Okay, so thank you also for subscribing. Thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my comment section. And two, some of my fans ask me how to make up. Please guys, I don't know how to make up. I'm still learning. I'm still very learning. I know a lot of YouTubers that is doing makeup also. You can go to their channel. If you want me to leave the names of the YouTubers under the comment section, let me know. I will leave the names of the YouTubers under the comment section. I know a lot of YouTubers also that is doing makeup. Okay, so me, I'm still learning. I can't stand in front of this video and be doing makeup. If I do makeup in front of this video now, you will laugh me because it take me time to do my makeup. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you, and thank you also. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and bye for now.